Hey guys, what is up? Ooh, it's getting cold. It's that time of the year. It's cold. All right, so I'm about to go outside, and the purpose of me going outside is because gotta do some updates. There's some stuff that I was supposed to do that I didn't do. Um, when it comes to doing some stuff for the studio. Turned off the website, so it gave me a chance to be able to do some things, such as getting the walls painted. Like I got paint over there, make it white so it could blend in. Um, I gotta do a lot of stuff. So at the end of the day, yeah. So about to go outside and get the roof patched up. Right? Is it patched up? Anyways, all I'm doing is I'm going outside and I'm gonna basically put in the metal roofing. I already have like the tar sheet that was good. But it's more like a temporary thing. However, I do plan on getting it set, and today is the day that I'm getting it set by putting metal roofing. And what that does is it allows the snow to just be able to just settle on and then slide off, and I don't have to worry about it sticking or ruining the roof or anything like that. Because as it snows, the water may have a tendency to get underneath the actual tar, even though I put it a good amount of distance overlay, right? Overlay from each other. However, just a secondary precaution, I'm just gonna put in a metal roofing. I already have plans to do that. The original studio has metal roofing, but this is the side I'm gonna put the metal roofing part on. So yeah, so it is what it is. Stay tuned. Let me get it started. All right. When I turn this on back, or I mean, it won't matter to you. It's gonna feel like a second. I'll be on the roof and I'll show you what I'm doing. All right. Cool. All right, guys. So I'm on the roof right now of this addition. Right. That's the regular one. Regular one's up there. So this is the addition area. These are some extra. What do you call that thing? What do you call that thing? These metal roofing sheets. I think they're called whatever. Anyway, so I'm here. I'm about to lay these on. I have a couple to add on. I have to lay all three of them here, and then I have three more I'm gonna go get so I can finish it off. Right. So just want to let you know there's always things that I'm doing. Sometimes it may seem like I'm not doing videos, but it is what it is. I'm continuing tutorials soon, but I forgot to do this, so it is what it is. All right. At the end of the day, we're gonna get it done and get you some content. So I'll let you see how it looks like when I'm done. All right. Like, subscribe again, Levi Apparel. All right. So I got them on. There it is right here. Bam, bam, bam. So that's each side. So, all right, cool. So we got it on. So I didn't show you too much, but at least you saw me put it on. All right, so basically I got the metal roof on, and the main focus is just making sure that the snow just slide off of it and things are good to go. All right, so yeah, this is the shop edition of the, well, shop, more like a shop build, but it is what it is. All right, guys, so I went outside and I set it up, right? Um, Next, we're just gonna get things set up in the shop. I got a lot of things I gotta do. I'm gonna get the updates set up for you guys, and yeah, so I think this cut off from the video, but yeah, this is the new screen printing engraver area right there that I'm gonna have set up. So my screen printing setup is pretty much done, right? Small screen printing, large screen printing. No longer do I need emulsions, and also if I don't want to do HTV vinyl, bam, there we go. I still will need emulsion, but I don't have to do the whole rinsing. But anyways, so the shop area for that side, the office is pretty much done as far as like getting getting the metal sheets on top, right? The roof sheets, whatever you want to call it. They're up, they're set up. I changed my outfit because it's the next day, whatever. But yeah, it's all done. It's good to go. it's good to go. Yeah, so ready for the winter. If any snow falls, just gonna slide off and we're gonna call it a day. Right? Like, subscribe, leave IPL. Appreciate you.